dividing my animal into multiple shapes. So I'm then going to go ahead and grab an eraser, and I'm going to erase all of my pencil lines before I start doing my zentangle, so I can see my artwork for what it is. From here, I'm going to go to the back counter, and I'm going to grab one of the options for zentangle pattern. I'm going to come back to my spot, I'm going to look at them, and I'm going to decide which one I think I might want to start with. I'm going to think about where the light and the darks are going to be on my animal in general, and I might reference a picture of it, or I might look at my object if I have it there. But I'm noticing that it's going to be a little lighter here than darker, so I might find a pattern that's going to be a little bit lighter, like this one, or maybe start with this one in the lighter portion. So I'm also going to think about, with that pattern, do I need a thin Sharpie or a thick Sharpie? The thin ones are actually going to be the clickable ones, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and look back and forth at the pattern and create it on my artwork here, okay? So it looks like the one I'm going to choose, let's choose jelly donuts. Okay, so jelly donuts, here we come. So it looks like it starts with a grid pattern. And I'm going to go ahead and just do it right away with Sharpie. If you're not comfortable with that, you don't have to do that. You can use pencil first. I just know that most of these patterns are made up of shapes that I know you can draw. Okay, so it looks like this, and then I need to crisscross it. So I might move my arm, or I might move my paper. I'm going to go ahead and crisscross. If I look back at my pattern, I can look and see, where's jelly donut? There it is. Okay, so now it's a circle on the inside of the squares. And then there is a colored in one there. So you could do all of them the same, or maybe you change the pattern a little bit. You could also add in your own pattern. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to fill in 70% of your shapes. So if I look at all of my shapes, I'm thinking about it as 100%, and 70% is going to be most of the shapes are going to be colored in with a zentangle pattern.